Pressure gauges are ubiquitous in industrial applications. Do you know how to use them correctly? First, let's take a look at the installation. If the medium pulse is large, it is necessary to install dampers or throttling devices to reduce pointer shaking and extend the service life. If the medium temperature is high, a cooling tube needs to be installed to prevent the elastic components from being compressed and deformed. In addition, considering the convenience of maintenance and replacement of pressure gauges later, needle valves can be installed. When installing a pressure gauge, use a wrench to tighten it. If it is too loose, it will affect the sealing and cause leakage. Also, do not tighten it too tightly to avoid thread damage or deformation of the joint. Next, let's take a look at the problems during use. When connecting the medium, slowly open the valve to avoid sudden pressure rise and impact on the instrument. The most common mistake during use is overpressure. Pay attention to its maximum working pressure. Overpressure may cause the pointer to fail to return to zero or read abnormally, resulting in a broken dial, even permanent deformation of the spring tube. At the same time, medium and ambient temperature should not exceed the limits that the instrument can withstand. During normal use, due to the wear and deformation of the internal transmission mechanism, the pressure gauge needs to be regularly inspected to ensure its safety and accuracy. Generally, it is recommended to inspect and calibrate it every 6 months. When inspecting, standard gauges and pressure pump are needed to test whether the deviation value of the pressure gauge under different pressure values is within the normal accuracy range. Usually, the inspection points are selected at 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% of the range of the tested meter. When the accuracy exceeds the tolerance, calibration is required. Do you now know how to correctly use the pressure gauge in your hand?